going. Well. Good morning. Sunday, October 11th. How do I know it's the 11th? Because I remembered that Monday, I have to do something Monday, and it's the 12th. So, therefore, today is October 11th. Not very hard to figure that one out. I just washed the Mercedes this morning. I think I finished washing it about an hour ago. So it is a clean machine. I'm gonna go to the grocery store now. The only thing is that there's a bee. There's a bee on the windshield here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. I can't see it through the viewfinder of the camera. See how it comes out in the video. Hello. Yeah. How many kilometers do I have on the C230? No, that wasn't planned. Just dropped the GoPro. Yep. It's a high mileage vehicle. So I was getting ready to I'm gonna go to the grocery store real quick, buy some items. Okay, I was listening to music when I was cleaning my car, so I guess it was still on. It's quite loud as well. Sounds like one of the mufflers might be loose. I hear a slight rattling on the right side. This car has two exhaust pipes, two mufflers, one on each side, one on the left, one on the right. I think the right one is making kind of a vibration, making a sound, resonating. I hope it's not getting loose. Green light, go. Go. So I still haven't completed my radio control airplane, the Nemesis. I mean, it's 98% finished. I still have to do a couple of linkages. Actually, it's more than a couple of linkages. I have to do three linkages. 2 linkages for the elevators. Each elevator has its own servo and one for the rudder. So instead of having 4 servos, this plane has 5 servos. And when I was in the process of buying the plane, I didn't realize that it took 5 servos. So I had to go down to the basement and scavenge some servos from another plane. Which I did. They didn't quite fit the holes on the plane. I mean, for the aileron, left and right, the servos that I got fit perfectly. But for the rudder and the elevator, they were asking for sub-micro servos. Actually, not even sub-micro. They were asking for super sub micro, so you can imagine how small that is. I found some that were close to super sub micro, but I had to enlarge the holes for the elevator and the rudder servos, the holes that are obviously made within the fuselage, because the servos don't go inside the fuse on this car, on this plane. So it's a different setup. Most 3D planes or acrobatic planes, the servos go on the fuselage, go on the outside of the plane. It's rare that the servos go inside the plane itself. Not always, sometimes. On occasion it is designed to be inside. And this is all done for weight reduction purposes and also for center of gravity purposes, balancing the front and the back of the plane. Because you cannot fly a plane that's tail heavy. It will not fly for very long, I'll tell you. You'll crash it. You will have no control over it. Little to no control over it. If you're lucky and it's slightly tail heavy, you might be able to bring it in. But 9 out of 10 times you'll destroy that plane, unfortunately. So I'm almost arriving where I want to go to, where I want to be. I wanted to watch the Grand Prix this morning, but I missed the Grand Prix. It's already over. I don't know, I guess it started really early. I wasn't paying attention to the time and I went downstairs to wash the car. And then by the time I decided to take a look, anyways, it's alright, doesn't matter. I don't really like watching the entire race because it's so long. Sometimes it's just somewhat boring. So this parking lot is crazy. You gotta be careful. Be very cautious. Look around. Take it easy. Have a little accident. It's alright, just look out and go slowly and be very careful. You'll be alright. That's it. I've reached my final destination. Before I go in, not like the movie Final Destination. Before I go in, I'm going to show you the results of my wash. I've waxed this car maybe 3 times or 4 times since I purchased it. 2 times, I would say. A liquid wax. I forget the name of the brand. There it is. I see some spots where I should have worked on a little bit better. Still some drops of water here. I didn't really take my time to dry it. I must have spent 15 minutes drying it with my towels, microfiber towels, that is. I always use microfiber towels. Over here there was some dry water spots. I don't know if you can see that here. I could do a better job than this. I mean, you can see the car's not dirty. See, it's still... Ah, shit, I feel my plate, damn it. Oh, it's okay. It's good enough. good enough, but it could be better. All right, that's it. I gotta go inside Walmart to buy some stuff. Have yourself a great Sunday. And yeah, I won't be flying the Nemesis today. One, because I have to finish the control rods, and also, yeah, that's it. There's nothing else to do. I won't fly today. It's just too cold and too windy, and I'll get the rest of the plane done. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.